Hey everyone, welcome to another VNR Quickie. I'm George Torline.
And I'm Randy Stern.
And today we're in the 2023 Toyota Prius Prime with our first drive and first impressions.
They finally brought the plug-in in this generation of Prius.
That's right. And this is a really revamped vehicle over the previous generation. And we're going to take it for a drive and kind of see how it feels and give you our impressions of what we find.
So join us for the drive. Let's go.
The 2023 Toyota Prius Prime is all new for 2023 and is built on the second generation TNGA-C platform. With its sleek profile, the Prius Prime is 2 inches lower, 1 inch wider, and 1 inch longer compared to the previous generation. Inside, the dashboard layout has been revamped with instrumentation in front of the driver and an available 12.3-inch infotainment screen in the center. This 2023 Toyota Prius Prime is equipped with Toyota's 5th generation hybrid powertrain, which utilizes a 2-liter 4-cylinder internal combustion engine and 2 electric motors, which now give it 220 combined horsepower. That's an increase of over 100 horsepower over the previous generation of the Prius Prime. Now let's get back on the road and see how it drives and to get our first impressions.
So, the brand new Prius is now coming into Prime, which is the plug-in version. You could see a little bit more of a discussion of the Prius itself in a previous video. You can click somewhere up here for.
Or down there.
Or down there, yes. Sort of an intro to the Prius itself. However, the Prime is different because while you have the same gasoline and electric setup, there is now a plug-in for this where the range is better electric only. Ooh, that is not a Prius.
7.09 in a Prius.
In a Prius. Who knew?
Wow, that's a heck of an improvement. I mean, it used to be they would be a double-digit 0 to 60 time on those.
And not only that, but they were also burdened with weight.
Yeah.
Especially when they are actually larger than this. As far as seats are concerned, they're decent. They're not overly supportive, but they're supportive enough.
Yeah, you don't feel like you're completely bolstered in, but then again, this isn't a performance car.
Legroom is fine in the back, but if you're used to the older Priuses where you have oodles of passenger space and cargo space, then you might be a little disappointed with the new Prius.
Yeah, because we had to fold the seats down for your walker.
Yeah.
As you can see in the back here, we have the seats down and you can see the walker in back to get that to fit. So.
Yep. So there's been those noted complaints, and it's not just in the Prius Prime, but also in the regular Prius. You have this instrument panel for which luckily they moved the instrumentation from the center of the dashboard on the old Priuses to more in front of the driver. However, they put it so far away from you.
Yeah, it's kind of a combination of having an instrument cluster and a heads-up display. You have it in between there, and they reduce the size of the steering wheel so that it doesn't intrude so much into the field of view to that panel. Depending on how tall your torso is, you might be able to see over that fairly well or not. I think I would have appreciated a regular instrument cluster.
I would too, actually. I mean, just do it right, like they did in the Crown.
What do you think of the highway ride?
It's smooth, it's solid. No drama, no complaints.
Yeah, it seems to be a nice, comfortable highway riding vehicle.
So from this seat, it's not bad. This is not the same Prius that you and I have known since 2001. It's completely different. It's sleeker, it's bolder, and now with the Prime, you have that additional plug-in component.
Toyota's new 12.6 kilowatt-hour battery gives this 2023 Toyota Prius Prime an estimated 44-mile all-electric range when fully charged. When the full EV range is utilized, the Prius Prime reverts to its hybrid powertrain. Even with its additional power, the Prius Prime is rated at 52 combined miles per gallon in hybrid mode. We look forward to working with the 2023 Toyota Prius Prime in the near future. Meanwhile, if you liked what you watched, please select subscribe, like, and the notification bell to be notified of future videos. And for additional automotive related content, check us out on the web at victoryandreseda.net. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.